Alright guys, so we're back here at the Glocal Village again. I don't know why they call it Glocal and not Global. Some of the guys from Urban Sketching are in there, and once again we're celebrating 10 years of urban sketching here in Singapore. Let's go talk to the rest of the urban sketchers and figure out their stories, why they are here with Urban Sketchers Singapore. Yes, of course, and there's food too. Oh, yay, that's food. And that's the menu. Okay, everyone, this is Debbie Teo. She's gonna share with us how long have you been with Urban Sketchers?
5 years together with her.
Woo! Hello!
Yeah. Hello!
Okay, I think I joined them just after the International Symposium in 2015, so it's a bit over 4 years now.
Since 2001, wait, 2011, sorry, 2011, 2001 is not, no, sorry, we start again.
Since 2014, so about 5 years.
I joined since 2012.
I've been with Urban Sketchers since 2011, so it's been 8 years.
Been with them since August 2011.
I think I joined here in 2016, so it's about 2 years. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I started at the first sketchwalk of the year. Yeah, so January sketchwalk.
For me, I think it's two things. One of all is, the first thing is obviously it improves my sketching, and it's a good motivation to start sketching again, to do a bit more, which I haven't done for ages before.
Urban Sketchers is a family, so I learned quite a bit from the group itself as a community, and so it's like 2015 I helped out with the Urban Sketchers Symposium, the International Symposium in Singapore, and also I did the We Draw Singapore Together exhibitions. So that's quite a bit of learning process, and also getting myself involved with the book and other things also. Yeah.
It gives me some regularity in sketching. Prior to that, I was in animation school.
What's your favorite thing on that plate right now?
It was recommended by Zaihan. There's a cempedak goreng,
Okay.
which is really good.
Fritters.
All my drawing in school, I haven't been like drawing my own stuff, and very little of live on location drawing. So when I started joining, I started doing a lot more on location drawing.
And the very more important thing for me is the social aspect. So I meet a lot of people. For me, like a foreigner in Singapore, it's a great way to meet the locals, to meet see new places in Singapore where I couldn't go on my own.
I think it has kind of helped me see Singapore differently, and it's also kind of inculcate a habit of me making art.
My involvement nowadays is more to performance art, so I think I pick it out from Urban Sketchers to be more brave to step out to do performance art, and to move myself on to more different kind of art form instead of just doing sketching.
Draw better, or like draw more.
Draw better, draw more, okay. Okay.
A lot. A lot.
A community? Yeah, a community to draw together. It was very hard coming back to drawing. I mean, with all the after fine art training, it's like how what do we do? Like drawing on our own in the studio setting is very lonely. Yeah, coming out it's like so many people of all abilities and of all backgrounds. It's like but we're all the same, squatting by the roadside, sitting there and drawing.
Yeah. So there's this constant injection of creativity from all the peers inside the group as well, and it gets me going, gets me outside to keep drawing, keep making, keep painting, and yeah, I think it's a good way to spend my weekends.
First of all, I mean, in the early part, I joined the group because I was actually in depression. Yeah, and it was through urban sketching and through just the whole process of doing art and doing art together with people that have the same the community that was built and the kind of thing that I got out of that and became healthy again. So for me, it has a big impact, you know, and that's the reason why I'm always so pro urban sketching, you know, and urban sketches.
And I really enjoy as well all the symposiums that are in other places in Southeast Asia, like when we went to Bangkok, Kuching or Hanoi this year. So yeah, for me I think the major benefit is the social aspect. Meeting people, spending time with people, seeing a lot of different sketching and artists, and yeah, that's what I really enjoy.
Getting to know the community, and interestingly in this sketch here actually, when I went to Siem Reap, I was sketching there and there were these two little kids and they were like looking, they were like, no school today, right? So the little girl started pointing at my palette. So I was like, what do you want, you know? Then I realized that she wanted me to use the colours in my sketch. And it's like opera, which is neon pink. So I was like, how do you use opera in this? So I had to budget a bit, yeah. So it kind of breaks the ice a lot. I think, you know, the whole community aspect to it is one of the best things, and you know, getting to know people and growing in this area of drawing as well.
Drawing together is much more fun and meaningful than drawing alone. And of course, I got to know a lot of great, amazing artists like you.
Nobody knows. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I got to know a lot of friends and a lot of new places in Singapore. Yeah, so yeah, I think because of this, I do more and more, and then yeah, I'm growing also every day. Yeah, so I'm so happy to be here. Yeah.
And also, of course, it has helped me as a person, you know, after I've started sketching, you know, it helped me really pay much closer attention to the surroundings. You know, I cannot not see everywhere that I go through a sketcher's eyes anymore. You know, I pay attention to lights, I pay attention to where the lights and the shadows fall, I pay attention to where lines go, you know, and things like that. And so, you know, it just really made me take in things a lot clearer. And the longer I've been at it, the easier these things come to me, you know, in the sense that I start doing that more with my environment. And that's kind of a good thing because, you know, you pay closer attention to what's around that sometimes a lot of people take for granted. The room where we did the mass production for our tote bags and goodie bags for the 2015 symposium. Okay. But this is the room that, you know, in 2015, when we had our symposium, this was the room that we operated out of. All the staff that came, you know, from sponsors and everything came into this room. The goodie bags, the mass production was done right here. Yeah. Thanks to Meng Xiang. Many in this room. So these are all the various subgroups that sort of sprung out of this. All right, the moment is here. In a while, I'm going to put us live on Instagram. So we're going to say, sing the happy birthday song first. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hey! Happy birthday, okay, Meng Xiang, blow.
No lah, nowadays don't
Wow,
blow.
wow, wow, wow.
So bloody. Yeah, please cut it in an architectural way.
Hey everyone. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Awesome.
Happy anniversary, Urban Sketchers Singapore!
Happy 10th anniversary, Urban Sketches Singapore.
Happy anniversary, Urban Sketches Singapore. Happy anniversary, Urban Sketch Singapore. Yeah.
Happy anniversary, Urban Sketches Singapore!
Happy birthday, USKSG. I'm proud to be one of you. enjoying myself. Because I'm part of organizing a lot of the stuff.
And cut. You didn't hear that.